In this video, we will introduce the phone function of the FX7 unit. Answer and call. When the FX7 is paired with your phone and a call comes in, click the function button once to answer. Click it again to hang up. Reject call. When there is an incoming call, press and hold the function button for 3 seconds to reject the call. Manual answering calls. Press and hold the function button and the on-off button for 3 seconds. The unit will announce auto answering off, indicating that manual call answering has been activated. In manual call mode, when a call comes in, you need to single-click the FX7 function button to answer. Automatic answering calls. Press and hold the function button and the on-off button for 3 seconds. The unit will announce auto answering on, indicating that auto answer mode has been successfully activated. In auto answer mode, when a call comes in, the FX7 unit will automatically answer it for you within 12 seconds. That's the complete tutorial of the FX7 phone function. Thank you for watching.